Welcome to Asyncode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will write Python code that demonstrates big O notation. Example of different algorithms with varying time complexities in big O notation. O(1) constant time. This function runs in constant time. Only a single operation, no matter the size of input. O(n) linear time. This function runs in linear time. Loop through all elements of the array. Each iteration takes constant time, O(1). O(n)² quadratic time. This function runs in quadratic time. Nested loops. The inner loop runs n times for each of the n elements in the outer loop. This operation is done nn times. O log n logarithmic time. This function runs in logarithmic time. Binary search algorithm. Logarithmic time complexity. Find the middle element. Constant time comparison, O(1). Return index of the found element, O(1). Narrow search to right half. Narrow search to left half. Return -1 if target is not found. O(n) log n, log linear time, common time complexity for efficient sorting algorithms. sorting the array using an efficient algorithm like timsort, which is used by Python's built-in sort. Python's built-in sort has an average time complexity of O(n) log n. O(2)(n) exponential time. This function has exponential time complexity. This function recursively calls itself twice for each value of n. Base case: when n reaches 1, stop recursion. Constant time operation. Two recursive calls. Example of how each function is called and the expected time complexities. Test constant time function. Test linear time function with an array of 5 elements. Test quadratic time function with an array of 3 elements. Test logarithmic time function, binary search. Test n log n time function, sorting. Test exponential time function. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.